back to Adventures with Allie. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial with my Morphe palette. This is the Artistry palette, which is 3502. As you can tell, I left my straightener on it, so oops. But yeah, it's got a lot of, so it has some nude colors which work really good with my brown eyes, so I'm super excited. I think I'm going to do like a red look today, so probably going to go with these colors and add a little bit of orange and probably add a burgundy for my crease, but I'll show you guys all the colors I use when we get started. So, per usual, we start with our moisturizer, of course. Remember that combination skin mixture that I got on my last one? You can find the link down below. And just remember, moisturizing is key and prepping your face is very important. I do have my mirror in front of me, so if I'm not looking right at you guys, just know that's where I'll be looking. So yeah, I picked up a few tricks between now and my last video. I actually went and bought a tripod with an attachment that has a backlight and a mic on it, so hopefully my sound and my video is a lot better this time around. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna start with tape again. I literally use Scotch tape for everything, so yeah, it's fine. Like, however you want to tape is cool. Like, it's up to you, honestly. I just try to make my tape match on each side, so that way I don't have to do like a ton of concealing, like, whenever I get done. So obviously this time's going a lot better, and I'm gonna actually talk to you guys this time because I can actually multitask because I have my mirror in front of me without it being on my phone or my camera, so I'm super excited. Yay! You guys all probably be like, wow, this girl weird, but you know what, I kind of am, so who cares? It's fine. Yeah, boom. We are just on it today, y'all. I love this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, so as you can tell, like, I feel like I look a little bit darker today. Probably not to you guys, but compared to this white, yeah, I look a little bit darker. But I don't know, I've been trying to get tan before summer starts, that way when I go to the lake I don't burn to a crisp, but you know, that doesn't always happen. So we're gonna let that dry for just a hot minute. So I'm gonna start with my orange here. I'm just gonna get a little bit on my brush and I'm just gonna go all over the top of my crease. Oh, that's bright. I was not ready for that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna keep going with that. It's fine. What up? Yes. Slaying with that vibrant pigment. Morphe is just, they have it going on, let me tell y'all, okay? I love it. And I love orange. Like, I'm an OU fan all the way, okay? But like, this orange is just fire, okay? Let's just be realistic about it. Like, look, that was like one coat. I ain't even lying about it, y'all. So, blend it out. Remember, when in doubt, blend it out. Yeah, so, boom. We're just gonna add a little bit. And now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And I'm gonna add that just in the crease, just to add a little bit of depth. I do use the same brush almost the whole time I do my makeup. I don't know why. I like it and it's easier to blend out. I do change brushes though whenever I add my inner crease. So I'm gonna use this red and it's got like a lot of glitter in it. Not a lot, just like a little bit of a if I could talk, glitter. And it's really, really pigmented. So I'm gonna use that as my crease. Bang, look at that. I love it. You guys look probably like, I don't see a difference, but I do because I'm right here. Yeah, so yeah, bang, we're working. Just take a little bit and we're gonna create that crease. And I'm just gonna do my line to divide it a little bit deeper. Boom. Got it. Right here. Boom, so excited. And I'm gonna use that for my outer. I'm gonna give it kind of a really dark, but I'm gonna kind of pull off an ombre, I think. Maybe try. Not sure how it's gonna go, but yeah, we'll see. Now I'm gonna go with the color right next to it because it's kind of a little bit cold. I'm gonna add this burgundy right here, but not with this brush, obviously. You're welcome. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this orange sparkle just to the inside. As you guys can tell, I changed foundations. Contour. Same material as this last time, but I will attach the links for you guys this time again. Boom. Remember, high points of your face. Brightening pink. It's by Morphe. Literally, I use everything Morphe, almost. But yeah, it's really good. There's another one on there that I want, and it's like a yellow. It's banana. That's the one I want, because it like really lightens. But we're gonna go with the pink one because your girl like pink. Like your girl loves pink. Okay, let's be realistic. Ta-da! Oh, so yellow welcome. Y'all remember this part? Eyebrows are important. We like to keep them ballin' on budgets. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. It was really fun to make, and look at that pigmentation. Look at it. I love it. Anyways, yeah, so comment down below, like and subscribe, and tell me what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you next week. Bye!